Hello everybody, welcome to Crazy Days. Today it's Bette's Box of Blessings, and I've kind of struggled with this one a little bit this month, guys. It's called Wisdom from Above, and the passage in it is from James 3:17. The wisdom from above is first pure, then peace-loving, and then gentle, compliant, full of mercy and good fruits, without favoritism and hypocrisy. Okay, that to me sometimes is very difficult. We are a favoritism world. Whatever you like, you like. What you don't like. And to be full of peace-loving, gentle, compliant, full of mercy, a lot of this stuff has just went by the wayside. And the more it gets closer to Christmas, the more I see of this. And then all year long, I don't even like to go to town because of this. But we are a peace-loving couple. Danny and I love peace, and our peace has been disturbed this year. And so we're struggling for a year with this peace-loving and how to not show favoritism and hypocrisy, and it's difficult. So this book this whole box just kind of struck home with me. And so it's kind of a study from James. We'll start with this. This is Word Writers, James, by Denise Hughes. This book, let's see, it just tells you, you start out with James, and it's got, you read, you find out what the verses say, you reflect on it, then you respond, and then you write. So it's kind of like a journal, but it's also a word study. That's basically what this is from James. And one of the chapters, I don't even know what chapter I'm on, but it says a call to grow deeper. When it comes to nutrition and physical health, most health experts agree on two essentials for healthy living. One is eating a balanced meal with lots of fruits and vegetables, and the second is getting some form of exercise, physical exercise, every day. In other words, take good food in and then exercise it out. And they go on to explain how taking in the word, taking in a good word, and then exercising it out, experiencing it, showing it to others. This is really a good thing. Using the physical needs of the body, the food, and the exercise to show the spiritual needs, the food and the exercise, what comes out of our mouth, what our attitude is, things like that. So this is a Book of James study. Then we have, as always, they do the cards from Dayspring. And it being the new year, we have the getting married, having babies, let's see what else was in here. Seemed like there was something else. Anniversary. So you have your anniversary cards, getting married, and baby shower cards in this one. Starting out the new year, everybody's going to be doing these things all year long. So as always, Dayspring does an awesome job with the cards. They always choose really good music. Legacy. Awesome. Awesome. It's got a lot of good songs. I think there's 12 songs on here. And very good upbeat music. You like it? Legacy. Last. This time they did two books in this one. This one, actually the Book of James, and then two together. And I have heard Too Stressed to Be Blessed for, I don't know how long. The last 2 or 3 years, I had a friend that on her Facebook page, this is what she posted all the time. Every day she ended her post with, too blessed to be stressed. And after about 6 or 8 months, she ended up having heart surgery. And still her posts were, too blessed to be stressed. So this is like a devotional for women and a journal. And I was going to show you, let's see, Rising Above It. Okay, it lists 10 fears that most people, they did a survey. Let's start at number 10 and work down to 1. Number 10 was being judged unfairly. And when you know you've done nothing wrong, that is a big, big thing for most people. Number 9 was rats, snakes, bugs, whatever. Any kind of critter that you're afraid of, that was number 9. Number 8 was rejection. 7, dependency on others. Nobody likes to have to be dependent on anybody else. Number 6 was loneliness. Number 5 was the unknown, not knowing what's going to happen next. Number 4 was old age. A lot of people worried about old age. I'm already there. 3, failure. This was one I struggle with a lot because I don't like to fail. And I feel like I'm a failure lots of times. So number 3 is big on me. Number 2, a debilitating illness or terminal disease. And lots of us deal with that one over and over. And the number 1 thing is loss. The loss of a child, a husband, a parent, a spouse, I should say, because I'm a woman, I said husband, but, you know, a spouse, a child, parents, close friends, loss. The loss of someone is big. This whole book is talking about how to deal with stress and how to be blessed beyond that, where you don't think about that. And then the little workbook that goes along with it, the little journal, gives you pages to write in. And at the top of each page and stuff, or the bottom, there's things to color, there's lines to write, and at the top, worthy Lord, help me trust that even my failures are part of your divine plan. Isn't that pretty awesome? So guys, Bette's Box of Blessings is pretty cool this time. Very, very good box. And Thomas said I could give one away. So I'm giving the whole box, even though parts of these things I give to different people throughout the year. Thomas is letting me do one whole box. I'm sending you somebody's name. So in the description below, if you would honestly like this box or you know somebody you would like it to go to, leave a message in the description below. Let me know. And we will send you, it'll be in a couple of weeks, Thomas will send one out. You'll get a whole box to either enjoy yourself or share with others. So leave your comments below, guys, and thank you. And y'all have a very Merry Christmas if I don't see you again before Christmas. Thank you, guys, from Crazy Days.